going on? I'm over here at the shop where they're fixing my truck. Still haven't figured it out. But at the same time, they still haven't test drove the motherfucker on the highway. And that's when I'm getting the problem. So I'm here and I'm going to test drive it with him so I can duplicate this issue, because I dropped off this truck Sunday night. And it's about to be Friday tomorrow. I've already missed 3 weeks. The month of November, I've been on the road. I've had 3 loads, and it's the 19th tomorrow. And I've had 3 loads this whole month due to this issue. I'm tired of it. I'm done. And I need for this shit to get fixed. But these guys, as much as I love them to death, they've been slacking, because it should not take this long to fucking test drive a fucking truck. Like, it really shouldn't. So I'm putting the fire on their ass, and I don't give a fuck. I'll stay here all fucking day and annoy them all fucking day, drink their beers all fucking day until we get this issue resolved, because it needs to be. Like yesterday, I'm losing a lot of money. Every single day I'm losing money. And I live in my truck. So I've been getting hotels every single fucking day, and it's not cool. Not cool. $200 a day for a hotel for the past 2 weeks. Like, no, we're not doing this shit. So this shit needs to get solved, and especially when it gotta be something so stupid, because the truck runs, it idles, it runs perfectly fine. Even driving it, until you put that splitter up, that's when all the issues start. Or if you have a load on it. Bobtail, if you're driving around the city, it's fine. You see a difference, but it's not anything crazy. But once you put a trailer or a load on this thing, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. Start sputtering at full throttle. Starts to sputter at full throttle. Like it's fucking got no choice, bro. Freaking at full throttle, sputtering. So it has to be something stupid. It has to be something really fucking dumb. And that's why I'm like, yo, it shouldn't take this long to diagnose this issue. My problem, I can fix anything, or I gotta get anything fucking fixed, is what I should say. But I at least have to know what the fucking problem is. And I'm a technician, but I'm not really savvy at diagnosing stuff that needs a computer to diagnose. So, like, I'm not. So, not even pretend like I am. So that's why I gave it to the professionals, but the professionals are taking way too long. And I know they got their own issues, and they don't really care about mine, but I'm losing money. And I need this truck fixed so I can get back on the road and do what I do best. But I just wanted to make this short video. These are the tough times of trucking. The tough times. I'll never forget this month of November. Ever in my life, I'll never forget this shit. Because this shit is bad. Like, 3 loads, 20 days. 3 fucking loads because of this. So I need to get back on the road. But yeah, trucking is good until you run into problems like this. And this is exactly why I want to buy another truck. Because while this truck is getting looked at, boom, hop in the other one. So that's the next mission. Because I can't go through this again. Like, this shit is stressful. Again, if I knew what the problem was, it wouldn't be that hard. Anything is fixable. But the fact that I don't know what the problem is what's stressing me the fuck out. And they're not doing anything, to help me out here. But hopefully after this fucking test drive we go on, we figure something out. But this is the down parts of trucking, yo. It's gonna happen. even in your 2020. Sometimes shit just goes wrong. And this is it. Trucking is great sometimes, but it also could be fucking terrible. Like the shit I'm going through right now. But I'll holler at you guys on the next video. I'll keep you posted. But hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share it. If you guys know anybody that's came into this problem, Series 60, 14 liter, runs fine, idles fine, but anytime you put a load on it, it's weak. And it's not the boost pressure sensor. I already changed that. And it just happened all of a sudden, you know? It just happened. So if you know anybody that's gone through some similar stuff and it really happens, the truck used to hit 80 miles per hour, no problem. Now it struggles at like 66. Full throttle, it starts to sputter like there's a leak somewhere, but there isn't. I checked it. They checked it. Like, there's no leaks and no codes. Like, no codes. Fucking, as far as the computer is concerned, the truck is running perfectly. Injectors are all good. Everything is all good. Fuel pressure's good. Everything's good. It's just, we can't figure out why it's doing this at high speeds and heavy loads. But if anybody's ever had this issue, please let me know. Keep it in the comments. I'm struggling, yo. I'm struggling. This has never happened to me in my 3 years of trucking. I've never been stuck like this. So I'm stressed. I'm over here drinking beer. I don't drink beer like that, but please help me out. But I'll catch y'all on the next one.